Greetings everyone, and welcome to another part of the Stargate Atlantis project, which now is the second accessories video. So in the previous one we took a look at Prometheus here, so now we will take a look at another ship I prepared, which is none other than Destiny. Uh, yeah, it's once again roughly in scale. Maybe some of you will point out that it's rather small, but Destiny was indeed rather small. It was around 700 meters, meaning it was a little bit longer than 304. Anyway, here it is, so let's just take a look at the model itself, how it actually works, and it's rather simplistic. So we have one half with two holes, we have the second half with corresponding two holes, and we have one pin here and one pin here, and that's it. That's all. So as you can see, very primitive model. And then we have the resting area or the stand, whatever. It once again has the cutouts for the ribs in the actual city or the Atlantis, and it will simply be slided over. Okay, so yep, that's basically it. Relatively straightforward. I would even dare to say primitive. So yeah, that's it. So let's go printing and assembling everything together.
Okay, so here we have the first part, here we have the second part. And what we will do first is to insert the pins. And the second one, well, no, this one we will insert here. And then put the two halves together. Like this. And yeah, that's it. That's the Destiny. And yeah, I see that here's a little gap. Maybe I will put a little bit of glue there so that it sticks properly. But anyway, that's it. And that's the resting place. So yeah. It will go like this. Okay. Okay, now we will take this and simply put it through all the way in. Yeah, like this. And we will simply take our Destiny and put it here. And it holds in place. And here it is with a little cover, sorry. And here it is with some paint. Yeah, well, it's the same color I did the big one. Anyway, that means we already have two ships as accessories. Okay, I hope that you liked it, and we will continue with this accessory mini-series. Have a very nice day, and bye-bye.